Theresa with Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. Or if you're new, welcome to our channel. So today I'm really excited to be bringing you our final reveal of our master bathroom makeover. And if you've been following along with us, then you know that we had some water damage in our shower, and that's what prompted this whole little revamp redo of our master bathroom. I've also tried to do this on a low budget just because I have so many projects that I'm trying to get done this year in the house. And so you'll see that I have clearance items, I've thrifted some things, I've done some DIYs. So I'll bring you along. I'll show you little clips of my DIYs that I've done in this bathroom. And I just thought it'd be fun to bring you along with me today as we put the final touches in decorating my master bathroom. And I'll show you some video of the before, and then at the end I'll show you the final reveal of our master bathroom. If you're not subscribed, go on and hit that subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up so that we know that you like this type of videos. And without further ado, let's go on and get decorating. So the updates that we did in this bathroom is we changed out the countertops. We kept the cabinets the same, but changed out the knobs on our cabinets. And we also changed out all of the faucets and light fixtures in the bathroom. So that's what my husband's doing now, is he's putting in our new chrome faucets, and he's also changing out the light fixture here. The paint color that I went with is a Sherwin-Williams Adley Gray, and I had Home Depot match it for me in the Behr line of paint. As you can see, it's a great neutral color. It's not too gray, not too yellow, not too brown, not too blue. So it worked perfect with our tile. And I also painted our master bedroom, which you'll see that update coming soon, the same color. Now I'm going to work on a couple of my DIYs. I bought this little bar stool at the thrift store for $6, and I cut the legs down so that I wanted to use it by my tub as a tub stool. So I just measured how high that I wanted it, cut the legs off, and now I'm painting it to go into our bathroom. And this little vanity chair I found at my aunt's house back in the summer when we did our rental fixer-upper, and it used to be my grandmother's. So I just cleaned it up, and again I'm painting it with the Waverly chalk paint in gray, and then I did a brown wax over it just to kind of, the gray wasn't exactly right in the bathroom, so I needed to tone it down a little bit. So I rubbed a little bit of the gray wax over it, and it turned out perfect. And then these little wood corbels I got at Home Depot. They are like a couple dollars a piece. And back in the summer, I found some barn wood at a yard sale. So I bought a plank of it, and I wanted to use it for shelves in my bathroom. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get those painted to where it's kind of close to the color of the shelves. And here, these are the $3 Walmart faux flowers. And I just thought that bringing in a little bit of lavender purple in the bathroom, give it a little bit of color, was exactly what I needed to do. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm just cutting out the stems into individual stems and
putting them in this little jar that I already had, and you'll see here in a little bit what I did with that. Before, we had one towel bar in the bathroom around our sink area, and it just wasn't practical. My husband didn't have one on his side, so I went to Hobby Lobby, found these really pretty wrought iron hooks. They were $2.99 a piece, and of course they were 50% off. And then I just put 2 nails in them, stuck them on either side of the mirror, and hung our hand towel on them, and it's worked out perfect. My husband has one on his side, and then I have one on my side. So now what I'm doing is I'm just kind of collecting all my goodies that I've collected and to bring into the bathroom to find out exactly how I'm going to use things and where I'm going to place it. So that's what you're seeing here is all my little treasures that I found over time, and trying now to put the final touches on our bathroom. And this sign I found at Hobby Lobby as well, and it was 50% off. I think it was $22 on sale. And for the curtain, this is another DIY. I went to Walmart and got a Better Homes and Garden 84-inch wide sheer panel, turned it on its side, and then cut it to the length that I needed my cafe curtain. And then all I did was just use those black clips and a black rod that I also got from Walmart, and then just put it up there. It looks really nice. I love the detail of the curtains. And then for this eucalyptus wreath, all I did was took a grapevine wreath that I already had and bought some fresh eucalyptus from a warehouse florist shop that we have here locally, and then just stuck it inside of that wreath. So as the eucalyptus dries out and I need to replace it, it's easily just replaced with new fresh eucalyptus. And here's a close look at that barnwood that I got at a yard sale. I just love the aged and just the gritty character of that wood. These little canisters, I actually got those at the dollar store, and I have my little cotton rounds and Q-tips in those, and that works out perfect. And I added a diffuser in my bathroom, and I've been using the spearmint and rosemary together. If you've never tried that, give that combo a try. It is so relaxing and fresh. It's like sitting in a spa. If you need any essential oils, I'll have a link down in our description box below where you can pick yourself up some oils and maybe even try that combo. And for our doorknobs and hinges, I just spray painted those. If you've ever spray painted your hinges or doorknobs, leave a message down below and let me know how it's held up. I'm curious to know, but for the time being, it saves us money, and if I need to replace it, then I can always replace them later. And this frame is a thrift store frame. I got it half off, so I think I paid $3 for that. And then that little boy that's in the picture reading, I don't know, I just thought that was the funniest thing, and I wanted to put him in that frame in our bathroom, and we love that little addition to our bathroom makeover. Okay guys, so that completes our master bathroom update and refresh. I really appreciate you coming by and watching our video today, and if you followed our master bathroom series, I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Share our channel with your family and friends, and until next time friends, bye bye.